to me here about the need for translation, but I used my veto power to send him back. I told him that before a late arrangement. So we're going to see what we can do to take care of everybody. But one thing I'm sure of, that most of us here, at least we're conversant with Abagusii or Kiswahili. I think. So I'll be going back and forth between the three languages. L'italiano na motebili gonkoro kwa Kigori Jared ntata Jared na l'italiane. Liabwa nante katiagu lio. I'll keep it for another day. Say togere magenjo machoge, and currently I'm a pastor in Raleigh, North Carolina. Se pastor nyawakakuru ongo pastor mwebi and munabarandi barega. So igo l'italiane Jared orando ke Kigori onkoru North Carolina. Move with it. That's to be here, right? I can move around with it. I don't want to antagonize you in one or the other. If it's just like this, it's very hard for me. All right, I'm not used to that. But I'm gonna move. Well, so we were here last night, and those of you who are here, we laid the foundation stone, and I thank Dr. Yorina for the block that you added this morning, and Pastor Mwebi for the leadership lesson that we had this morning. So for those of you who are here last night, we laid the foundation into abege tomo singi of what we'll be talking about throughout this week. Ekambiye ntobuate ntokoro kali ngana li nene li ngana li mwamu ekerenga aseke songo bakoro kate theme. And the theme for the camp meeting for 2019 is revival and reformation. So we took some time last night to define the terms. What does it mean to revive? And what does it mean to reform? Those two terms, what do they mean? We took some time to revive. We have to be conversant. Ekere mineti ko revive na ko reform. Bono ko revive wike gusio molisi na kigo. Ekera bono tuate atokole translation ko revive ngaki. Koleta moyo kusikobeka moyo. I'm not sure. Na bono translators bali mwale ngoro. Ngabera nire amangana ina elire uyo mumuro mino uyo no mwana mino nyasa Yesu agatosonsoramo na Nyasaye na ringana likoro ku reconciliation agatobwata okoboko akabwata na Nyasaye okoboko agatobeka amo agatoirania ase tuatakeire koba ekiara pa nature igoturaba ruwaire by nature igoto bugata maote Isaya yamefungo Isaya neme bigote baiga koruase nzanga kyagoro ebitingiro osama goro ebiara ebisanyi dalibi ebine bisanyi byamagoro koru ebisanyi byamagoro mpaka aralia ya ekigorana kigoro egioto telio korua sege sanyi kiamagoro impake egioto telio igomolekere kieke ya ndena Isaya goteba igomubwate ki amaote na amaota itakoletiki tabo iri nande digago itakakere kieke kwana lanche isire ko batinta etiko bagachina mogo chikoragera na ende ta kirikere kieke kwana buna Isaya goteba nande ta kiriki mavuta na mokoroleka na oranyoro monto. I'm sorry lanji pastor aga unga beraka yokuchi kuragera tole lakini onyoro monto korunsa mongina jeni. I'm not sure what's in nasi yokare and I don't want to speak with any medical expertise because I'm not one. Korunse iga impaka igora gabwate stage 4 na rako alia manena ari stage 4 or 5 I don't know, maybe they say 6 I don't know, lakini yabeira ale deep manena sana korunse. There is no yani space te ya seli yote litali oh the way go tiromo beromo gima kerase mpaka igora mpaka maiso na maota ya awite kama maira naenda maota ya tapo iri naenda maota ya taaki nonyana mafuta. That's a good looking picture, right? It's a terrible diagnosis. Terrible diagnosis. Nyasaye karago tulie na bole igo na inche na bonde igo na botokoroleka na iga so was Nyasaye na botuli igo Yesu manyagocha ekero monto yale okwamanya ko moyo hagi no kogere ko nesuti yao kwa moyo hagi okole kwere Yesu ichaso boronge bwa yoto mwana Odo tebi na amanyire n'abasalia mule. I know your condition. Na amanyire buna monkoreka no mongino oyo no keligia buna gwa keligiria to kwegwenia. Omugaka no keligia buna gwa keligiria to kwegwenia. You must seek medication outside yourself. Uikebe kuruisiko elindo manye kuira no para. Oira na sikuwa lenge. Oira na in your full health. Ni inche na achire nganchere. Elinde kero kwa mbwani lipi insiba mautao. That's what Christ says. Aro yesa whatever. We are unworthy. Dito wenereti. Yentonke yotokoleta sobosibwae. Ngora antoli kurua asomo berobwa makweli nabato kwenye rokani theology the direction cry Paulo gakorera iga o wretched man that I am omonto le wretched ngaki ale pastor nyagwa ko no monto le ngaki o wretched man yo monto ki obichancha be omonto bunekanete omonto ngaki amalieta nkuri kiki mo vocabularies omonto li chancha be omonto okorokali chancha be nilitali yo molisi ya nande ndiye takirinde ichancha be nakiraende mochande ku na inu kwenda mukalisi ko muke usiki hansire ko bakoleka dia mocha omolemerwa where it's a little close enough omolemerwa nande lelieli omubunekanu eke gusi nande lelieli ngelinde ngamalieta igocha oh wretched man pona bakolera oh wretched man that I am ngama lietande muchanja be mubunekanu muchande ku mulemerwa muchafu ikitalike kusi pastor kinegi yako sialisi wakolete gasi kinege Swahili omonyaka ama lieta yos nyarete igabeke suguriyo nyaruge oso kesupu ya malieta ito okonywa na malieta makomu na adama be abagote ba mchembunekanete I'm wretched, I'm broken. It's like yegari ekogende highway at 120 miles per hour enyora namone yende na 120 miles per hour head on egento koragagu is wretchedness, brokenness beyond comprehension. You cannot pick a piece. It's all scattered all over the highway. Uyimwanya bantu okororeka na igo na bule igo wretched and broken na muchandeku no munyaka no muchafu na malieta yonsi Paulo teba who can save me from this body of death ningora antoli kurwa somo berobwa